Birds of a feather flock together. On a recent visit to Mulshi Lake at Pune, we came across this wonderful sight. At dusk, as it started getting dark, hundreds of birds from nearby area started flocking towards a particular tree. It was fascinating to see all the birds coming together and settling for the night. Such a wonderful nature. Look at this young bird enjoying a dip in the lake. As small kids like playing in water, this young one too is rejoicing by taking a quick, refreshing dip in the cool water. Amazing nature. For such unique sights, do subscribe to my channel, Travel Journey Memoirs. And don't forget to like this video. Thanks. See ya.